Welcome back. Now, one of the productivity apps that you have available to you is an alternative to PowerPoint and allows you to put together presentations made for the computer screen that are shareable. And you can do that by going to your admin panel, and then you can pick up the app called Sway. Now, what Sway allows you to do is to start with a template or to start from scratch. And you'll be able to edit Sway just as if you would any other Microsoft document, although the layout is always going to be a little different. You can add in text or images and align it within your document. So basically what you have in Sway is a way of being able to create a visual PowerPoint presentation made for a computer screen and then made to be shareable. So once you've completed your Sway design, you can play it. And in order to return working again, you can just hit the escape button. Now what you can do is you can collaborate on the creation of a Sway. So you can do that by going to this share button. You can share with whom you want. You can share with specific people or groups, those in your organization, or anyone who has the link. And you can invite them to either view the Sway or you can invite them to edit the Sway. Now, if you want more steps, you can require a password to view or edit the Sway. Now, although the Sway is made for the computer screen, you can print the Sway, and you can print it as a PDF onto your hard drive. You can also export the Sway. You can export it into a Word document and or a PDF as we just did. And you can see the document now in Microsoft Word. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.